Hello and welcome to Hand Yoga. I'm Heidi Parkes, and today we are going to improve circulation in our hands. We'll begin just by pausing and feeling how our hands currently feel. If you've already done some other hand yoga videos, notice the effects of that, or if your hands are just neutral. And now we're going to do a very everyday, ordinary activity that you probably haven't noticed what a big effect it has on your hands. We are going to be clapping. So let's begin with just a very gentle clap. We can pause to notice. It might be a little tingling. But now let's pretend we're really happy. We've seen something great and we're going to go to town clapping. And we'll pause. You can probably feel an intense tingling warmth radiating throughout your hands. Usually when we're inspired to clap with that kind of intensity, we're so inspired and excited about the thing we're clapping for that we don't feel this incredible reaction of circulation in the hands. We're going to continue with a very ladylike, dignified clap. We're going to clap fingers to palm. Again, we'll pause to notice, and other side. And now we'll clap the back of the hand. We'll begin right hand clapping the left hand. As always, elbows as reasonably straight as possible. Careful you're not hitting too hard on the back of the hand. It's more fragile. And pause to notice. And then the other back of the hand. And pause again to notice, feeling a really intense warmth, heat, activation. It's so quickly that this happens. If your hands are ever feeling cold, if you're getting that really freezing fingertip feeling, clap. In just 2 or 3 minutes, you will be warm as can be. Let's clap one more time, just our normal clap. And now we're going to clap up and down the wrist and the forearm. We'll pause to notice. It's wonderful for the hand giving the massage as well as the forearm receiving it. Pausing our last time to notice. And then as though we got really dusty, stirring up a bunch of dust, let's sweep off our hands and our forearms. This clapping technique and sweeping is inspired for me by Dan yoga. It's a type of Korean yoga. It's actually the first kind of yoga class that I ever attended because according to Yahoo Maps, it was the closest to my home. So, pause one more time. Notice that still lingering tingle, warmth, heat, and And thank you for joining me for hand yoga. Take a look in the video description for links to more videos, and remember to subscribe to Heidi Parkes for more of this content. Thank you. Bye-bye.